Plie Ïing Kashari ba Shirta Jong Sub-Divisional Court da dengre hinin kasngi. Hakan kasngi la saki lang da kiriu dan buram bakan tu Justice IP Mukherjee Chief Justice ka High Court ke Jalam Khalaya bat ke Dr. M. Amperin Lengdo Menteri Ketenangan ke Sorkaran Khalaya. Hakan jingkren Jong rupa M. Marak MLA ke da dengre constituency ulaban jur halor ke jing dan kam Jong ke jing bishar bahok bat kabala banyo da ka papan pa ba kane ke yang bishar ka pathamai kan pensuk ke pat ba kham tam ke beduna ha ka yo ka kot ban yo ya ke jing bishar bahok unong bishar just thank you ulapan pa ya ke jing kordor jong ke jing bishar kum ka syarak jong ke jing kermen na ka banta ke jing punpoi ya ke jing bishar bahok amtang na ka banta ka dedengre na ka banta ke rilum garo borok away bat ke jala ka Dr. Mezel Amprin Lengdo ka lapan pa ke jing angnut jong ke jala ban ai ya ke jing bishar hok ka bamar kajuk bat ke jing herap an ka baklem don kam ban siu pisah.
From the side of judiciary, and I believe all of us as citizens, when we open the doors of this, I can say with all the facilities it has, the state-of-the-art court building, we reaffirm our dedication to upholding rule of law and fostering a society that is based on trust, equity, and righteousness.
Thus, with the establishment of this sub-divisional court at Dadingri, we hope to ease the burden for the delivery of justice to the people. We want to first strike justice by ensuring that this court becomes fully functional, thereby ensuring that there is a speedy disposal of the judicial procedures.